Japanese roboticists first put forth the idea that artificial intelligence should be embodied. Japanese institutions believe that AI innovation should be created alongside or more accurately within a physical artificial body, while the West emphasized algorithms in the abstract. For many years, Japanese roboticists have taken the lead in achieving the goal of building companion robots for humans. Welcome to Artificial Weekly, the one-stop channel for all the new updates you need to know about AI and its innovations. Let us know that you are a human and not a robot by clicking on the subscribe button. And to make it extra difficult, don't forget the bell icon. Now let's take a look at Japan's latest humanoid models because they're becoming more and more realistic, with number 1 as a real breakthrough in this technique. Number 6, Nadine. Nadine, a Kokoro creation from 2013, has traits like human-like skin, hair, and hands. The robot is capable of various tasks, including playing out emotions, interacting with users through arm gestures, responding to queries in several languages, and recognizing people. This sympathetic robot can gather visual and oral data thanks to 3D depth cameras, a microphone, and a webcam. Imagine in your mind talking to a customer service representative and assuming that this agent is a human person. You can be mistaken in your belief. Nadine, the most humanoid robot in the world, might be the person you're speaking to. In addition, Nadine has a human-like appearance and natural features, leading one to believe she is a person. She may even acknowledge you from earlier encounters, look you in the eye, shake your hand, and carry on the conversation based on those encounters, among other things. The software platform for Nadine was created at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore and was used in its development by Kokoro Japan. She previously worked as a customer service representative at AIA Singapore, an insurance company. Modern robotics technology created Nadine to mimic human behavior. Finally, when these inputs have been processed, distinct perceptual layers identify diverse faces, gestures, emotions, and behaviors, among other things, and then react according to these recognitions. She also has built-in chatbots that let her manage various requests and a memory model that recalls different people and talks with them. In addition, Nadine is fluent in 6 other languages, including English, German, French, Chinese, Hindi, and Japanese, so communicating with her won't be an issue. Number 5, Saya. Robots will no longer perform most of our jobs as once thought. Saya, a robot teacher created in Japan, called the roll, grinned at the students in her class, and gave them reprimands. Saya, a robot created by Professor of Science Hiroshi Kobayashi at the Tokyo University of Science, is undoubtedly an intriguing machine. The robot can convey 6 human emotions, including surprise, fear, contempt, rage, happiness, and sadness, since it has rubber skin pushed from the rear by motors and wiring around the eyes and lips. Saya was initially created as a receptionist robot in 2004. This year, a small group of 5th and 6th graders tried Saya in a real Tokyo classroom. There is still no chance that the robot will be able to replace human teachers because all she can do is take the roll call. The robot is also incapable of acquiring any human-like intelligence or abilities. The professor, however, accurately responded, "Yes, if you're ready to pay," when asked if he would ever construct a robot with movie star looks in human form. He claimed that this unique robot would cost an astounding 5 million yen, or $49,800. Number 4, Junko Chihira. Consider that you are a traveler in Japan and looking for information from the neighborhood tourism office. Junko Chihira, a humanoid robot employed by Aqua City Odaiba, a shopping area on Tokyo's waterfront, is likely to be able to respond to your inquiries. Hiroshi Ishiguro, an Osaka robotics expert, invented the technology that Toshiba used to make her a humanoid robot. The diversity of facial expressions and outstanding interpersonal abilities displayed by Junko Chihira is remarkable. Communication is considerably easier because she can greet visitors in Mandarin, Japanese, and English. To assist travelers who are deaf, Junko is also equipped with sign language. Before continuing the video, subscribe to our channel and remember to smash the like button. Also, enable the bell icon for more exciting videos like this. Moving on. Number 3, AIDA, aka Erica. You hear about the most recent developments from the news anchor when you watch the news. Now, though, the newsreader may be a robot. Getting your daily news from a Japanese robot named Erica might be the norm if you live in Japan. The Intelligent Robotics Laboratory's director, Hiroshi Ishiguro of Osaka University, developed Erica. She is among the most intelligent humanoids created in Japan, with a focus on her verbal talents. Erica cannot move, but despite this, she can communicate with people and adjust her expression to suit the situation. Erica can do this thanks to the 15 built-in infrared sensors in her eyes that can detect any movement. She also features facial recognition technology that makes tracking various individuals in a room simple, and voice creation algorithms. Erica has 44 degrees of freedom incorporated into her body, allowing her to move her face, neck, and waist while making different expressions. And even though she still can't move her arms, it's not a major deal because she works as a news anchor. Also, Ishiguro seems to believe that Erica has a soul, but this issue sparks discussions more about robotic metaphysics than technology. According to Minato, Erica would cost over $200,000 if she were for sale. Number 2. Ariza. The term Ariza was chosen as the name for the character because it appeared in the interactive robotics solutions from Aru. 2017 saw the introduction of android Ariza. Ariza is a 6-foot-tall humanoid with a touchscreen monitor that will provide tourists with directions and information, pose for selfies, or even dance for them. She was created by Aru's Gaming and began her first trial run at 2 subway stations in Tokyo in 2018. Ariza is the brainchild of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Her fashion sense is impeccable, and she is fluent in English, Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. Number 1. Asuna. In conjunction with the A-Lab team in Tokyo, Hiroshi Ishiguro created Asuna. At the 2015 Wonder Festival Winter in Chiba, Japan, Asuna, an android, was first presented. From a distance, she appears to be a sweet 15-year-old girl, standing 155 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms. Even the convention reporter covering it was confused by this hyper-real robot, since they thought it was one of the idols from the AK-48 band due to how human-like it is. You have likely seen images of robots that resemble humans, yet her actions are what endears this android. Asuna's habits are so utterly genuine, from how she blinks and squeezes her eyes shut to the shape her mouth assumes just before yawning, that one would be completely taken aback. Among Asuna and other androids, she is in a class by herself. The fact that her skin is soft and squishy rather than rigid, and aside from being cold to the touch, feels like a real girl's ear, is the key to her lifelike appearance, according to some. Asuna is just one of the numerous projects that the staff at Tokyo-based A-Lab have worked on. They are the same company that created the Matsukoroid, another android that resembles the plus-sized Japanese TV Matsuko Deluxe almost exactly. That's all for today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more recent updates like this, and check out the rest of the videos on this channel.